I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove everything inside. Then, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the retaining clips. This allows the glove box to swing down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do with basic tools. Once the glove box is down, you'll see a rectangular housing cover. This cover is secured by two small clips, one on each side. Gently unclip these and the cover will come right off. Now, you can easily slide out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Notice its orientation before removal, as the new one needs to go in the same way. Before inserting the new filter, check the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow should point downwards, indicating the direction of air movement. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing. Once it's fully seated, replace the housing cover, making sure both clips snap firmly into place. This ensures a proper seal. With the new filter in place and the cover secured, it's time to reinstall the glove box. Simply push the sides of the glove box inward again to re-engage the retaining clips. Close the glove box and you're all set. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly, perhaps every 15,000 miles, significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality and HVAC performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.